What if the key to treating anxiety, depression, or stress wasn't a pill, a therapist, or even meditation, but your gut? It might sound strange, but your gut and brain are in constant conversation. In fact, your gut contains over 100 million neurons, more than your spinal cord. A second brain inside you, and science is showing it could change the way we think about mental health. Mental health issues are rising worldwide. Anxiety, depression, and cognitive decline affect millions of lives every day. Researchers began to notice a link when patients with gut conditions like irritable bowel syndrome consistently reported higher rates of anxiety and depression. This suggested that the gut and brain might not just be neighbors in the body, but active collaborators. That's where the idea of the gut-brain axis comes in, a two-way communication system linking your digestive system, immune system, hormones, and brain. Messages flow along the vagus nerve, through chemical signals, and via microbial activity in the gut. Here's what researchers are uncovering. Neurotransmitters in the gut. Around 90% of serotonin, often called the happy chemical, is produced in the gut. Certain gut bacteria play a role in regulating how much of it reaches your brain. Microbiome diversity. Studies show that people with depression often have less diverse gut microbiomes. A diverse gut produces short-chain fatty acids that reduce inflammation, a biological factor strongly linked to mood disorders. Human research. Early trials with psychobiotics, probiotics developed to influence mental health, have shown small but encouraging improvements in anxiety and depressive symptoms. Meanwhile, diets high in fiber and rich in plants consistently support healthier microbiomes, and people following these diets often score better on measures of mood and mental well-being. This gut-brain connection doesn't exist in isolation. It's being shaped by modern diets and lifestyles. The rise of ultra-processed foods, high sugar intake, and low-fiber diets is altering the gut microbiome. These dietary patterns are tied to obesity and type 2 diabetes, but they're also linked to higher risks of depression and anxiety. So it's not just about physical health anymore. What we eat might be silently shaping how we think and feel. Imagine a future where treating depression or anxiety includes a personalized gut plan, a mix of tailored diets, microbiome analysis, and targeted probiotics. Psychobiotics designed for your unique biology. Microbiome tests that predict which foods balance your mood. New therapies that focus on healing the gut to heal the mind. But as with any breakthrough, there are questions. How far should we go in engineering our gut microbes? And who gets access to these therapies? So, would you consider changing your gut to change your mind? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoy exploring the future, subscribe to Tomorrow Today for new videos every week.